So for fans of the Jordan 4, such as myself, one of the all-time grails have got to be those Jordan 4 Travis Scott in that purple colorway. Unfortunately, those sneakers never saw a wider release. But now, Jordan Brand have given us easily the closest pair yet, and I gotta say they are very nice in hand. My name is Josh, and I will be reviewing the Jordan 4 in the Canyon purple colorway. So what is good, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Let's get this out the way quickly. If this is your first time here, my name is Josh. I do sneaker reviews, all types of other sneaker content, and I am dropping at least 3 videos a week, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. For the best sneaker podcast out there, make sure you check out my podcast, The Kickback Pod, available on Apple Music and Spotify. Links are in the description. And give me a follow on TikTok and IG as well for even more content. So let's get into this. For me, one of the most anticipated Jordan 4s of the year, so the Canyon purple colorway. The official release date for these in Europe will be August the 25th, and up until right now, we don't have an official release date in North America. I've seen some sites say that it could even be December, so you might be waiting a while for these. Last week was Sneakers Day here in Europe, and these actually shock dropped on that day, so that's how I was able to get a pair. And these are actually a women's release, but thankfully, all you guys out there like myself with some big feet, these did release in pretty much full men's sizing, I believe going up to a US 13 in men's, which I was very happy about because I definitely wanted these in my size. I did get them in a women's 12.5, which is a men's 11. And getting into the shoes, the entire upper of the sneaker done in one single color. This Canyon purple colorway, it is a slightly lighter shade of purple than those Travis Scott pairs, but it is easily the closest thing we've seen so far to that shoe. Personally, I love this colorway, the Jordan 4. First of all, my favorite Jordan model, and you throw one of my favorite colors on the sneaker, yeah, it's pretty much a guarantee I'm gonna like the shoe. The other color that I really like on the shoe is these different hits of black. You get black on the wings as well as on the back part of the shoe. You also see this hit of black along the midsole area. But perhaps the number one reason that not a lot of people were feeling the shoe is this other color that they've thrown in here, and that is this green speckle color that you see on the midsole, and you also see that color on the lace eyelets. The reaction online I saw from most people was that they weren't really feeling this green color, giving them too much of a Barney the dinosaur vibe now on this colorway. But I gotta tell you guys, having the shoe in hand, this green, it's more of like a grayish looking green. Like the green tones are actually quite dull. It's really not as loud as you think it is. And the only other color you see on the shoe is the orange Jumpman as well as orange behind the tongue. I really like this colorway. I know it's loud, I know it's not for everyone, but these are really nice, and I haven't even gotten into the best part about this shoe, and that is the quality of this suede upper. I was pretty surprised to find out that the entire upper of the sneaker would be done in this very nice hairy suede. It's not very often that we get all suede uppers on a Jordan 4. Pretty much the only time I can think of in the last few years was those University Blue 4s. And the suede on this Canyon purple pair is just way nicer than those UNC 4s. Very soft, feels very nice. One of the better quality Jordans overall, I would say, this year. Additionally, you also get this satin inner lining, just another hit of those premium vibes on this shoe. The laces that come standard with this pair are done in the purple color to match the upper, but you also get this additional pair of black laces, which I actually prefer on this shoe. It does remind me more of those Travis pairs, and I also think it adds quite a bit of nice contrast to the shoe, and also I think makes the shoe a bit more wearable, especially if you're gonna wear these with some black pants. Moving on to sizing for this pair, so like I said earlier, these did come in women's sizing, and what that means is that these shoes are a bit narrow than most Jordan 4s. I did get this in my true size, a US 11, and they do fit slightly tighter than I would prefer for a Jordan 4, but it's not too uncomfortable, so I do think actually that they are the right size, because if I had gone half size up, it would be a bit too long in the toe area. I do think that if you have wide feet, however, you should definitely go up half a size. This midfoot area is gonna be pretty much unbearable if you don't. Looking at what these are going for on the resale market right now, we are more than 2 weeks ahead of the supposed release date in the EU, and we don't even know when these are going to release in North America. However, even with that being said, these resale prices are really low right now. Even the bigger men's sizes are not even reselling for a whole lot. So for those of you in the States, since you don't really know when the release date is and you just don't want to wait, well, guess what? The prices are pretty low. If I didn't already own this shoe, I personally wouldn't mind just paying 50 to 60 bucks above retail to get these. It's a nice colorway with some pretty good quality. I think they're worth these current prices. Overall, the Jordan 4 in the Canyon purple colorway, are these a cop or a drop? I have to say, lately Jordan brand have definitely been coming with some fire releases in the second half of the year. The Taxis, the Fire Red 3s, we're gonna get those reimagined ones later in the year. And these also I feel should be part of that list when talking about the best Jordan releases of the year. I understand that it's not a colorway for everyone. Like if you wanted a pair of 4s to rock every day, you're probably better off going with like those military 4s. But if you're a Jordan 4 collector, then you've definitely been waiting quite a long time to see a colorway like this on this model. And I think it was worth the wait. The colorway on this is really nice. The quality is really good as well. I just feel like this is gonna be one of those 4s that years from now, people are probably gonna regret passing on. There is actually another pair of 4s which we'll be releasing this year, which kind of feature a purple looking color, and that is those Ama Manier 4s. I personally prefer these over the Ama Maniers, but as always, let me know down in the comments, what do you guys think about this pair? Do you think it is slept on? Let me know. For me, these are definitely a cop. If you found the video useful, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It really does help out the channel. Thank you so much for supporting the content. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.